Melanie is on the bouncy thingy, and this kid is shaking her because he thinks it's scary toys.
Come on. Is that it?
And he's shaking it, and she feels like she's gonna die. Go, Melanie. Oh, it's really more terrifying than it looks. We should put these on YouTube. She's come back. Oh, she's way better than I am. She should do the twist. Do the twist! Go low. It's more scary when you stop moving after.
I've got it under control.
And Melanie obviously has a way better balance than I am. I do. But that's not really all that shocking.
I only felt like going this way, but I think that was that kid's fault.
You should dismount. Okay. She's gonna do her Olympic dismount in...
I just pictured myself in a flip. I was like, oh my goodness, that's right now.
Here she goes, her wind up, and...